Hey guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video, we will talk about the top 3 best directory and listing WordPress themes. With the help of these themes, you will able to build high quality and stunning WordPress website for your directory and listing business. So let me bring you to my desktop where I will show you step by step and we will review those themes demo content how they look like. So don't skip the video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So the first theme we have here, Listeo theme, directly and listing with booking system. This theme comes with the Elementor page builder, as well as you also will able to customize your theme using WordPress editor, and it also has a nice feature which give you multi-vendor website. So let's check out its review, live review, how this theme look like and what features we will get in this theme. So first of all, we have here dashboard. So let me go to theme demos and let's check out our first demo, which compatible with Elementor. As you can see here, ready to customize with Elementor page builder. As I personally check nowadays, you also will able to customize your theme with using WordPress Gutenberg page editor. It's your choice, which one you want to choose. You want to go with Elementor or WordPress editor. So it has a easy setup with it, and also the features we have here, the sign in sign up option for the multi vendor, and vendors will also able to sign up their account for to register their business or upload their listing. For that they have to pick up any compatible plan for that, where you will able to create different plans for your vendors, and you also able to customize all these forms and featured categories, popular categories. You also able to change your own categories, and a trending listing you can display here. And then we have a review section, also can display your review or information about your business. So if I show you the listing page, it comes with the sidebar. If you don't wanna this sidebar, filter sidebar, you can also go with the other one we have here. If I go to listing, list layout, we also have the full width and full width with map. So let me show you with map. Here it comes with the filter, the sidebar, where they will able to add filter for the listings. So this one comes with the map section. You will able to add your Google Map or OpenAI map to display the correct location, and it will also display how many listing available in particular location. Because I already work on Listeo theme for multiple clients, you also can adjust how many listing you want to display per page, and a lot more. So if I show you some other its feature, we have a grid layout, half screen layout, multi vendor. So let's check out browse store for the multi vendor, how their store will look like. This is how their store will look like. If I click on any one vendor here, we will able to see their listings like that. They have some listing here. We also can filter it, and we also can contact to vendor. This is depends on you if you allow them to contact a vendor or not. User panel, user store dashboard, and this Listeo theme also have a pretty nice feature, like you will able to improve your theme performance in the theme settings. And also you have a option for the social media. In the theme setting, you will able to customize your header, footer, even the layouts using Elementor, and a lot more. So number 2 in the list, we have my listing directory and listing WordPress theme. It also compatible with Elementor and comes with the WooCommerce, build a business, real estate or car directory. This is the best theme for those businesses. We have a single listing pages, user reviews, user dashboard, where they will able to see their listing, track their listing, paid listing or promoted listing, direct message option. So let's check its a review, how its demo look like. So this is the demo of my listing. So let's check out the main demo. We do have here property demo, car demo, depends on your business, you will able to choose the demo. So let's check out the main demo. So this is the main demo of my listing theme where we have categories. We will able to choose category and search bar in the main banner. We do have here sign in, sign register option, add a listing option. So this is where will able to register as customer or business owner as a vendor. And then if we look at explore, we will able to explore the listings. And the same as the Listeo theme, it also have the map section where we can add the listing, and it will display the how many listing in particular area according that. And we do have here, if we select category, and it will show according the category, which is nice feature. If I select restaurant, it will show restaurant in the map according that. And we also can select here events, then it will show events, jobs, then it will show jobs on the map as well. And then if we have a explore to column, these are different listing type of pages which you can add on your website. So this is the to listing section without map. You also can have a explore no map if you don't want a map, or classic one. Let's explore the classic one. This is the classic look like and very normal. And in the listing, let's check out the place, how it will look like. Yeah, this is the listing actually, the vendor listing, where they have a profile, their review, event, jobs, store, post, and then they have a gallery, categories, location, and to contact people. User will able to contact the business person of this particular listing, who add this listing, the detail, and their Facebook and other social media. And we do have here downside, explore uh, some more listings, suggestions. And if we go with some other more options, all elementor visits, because this particular theme also compatible with the elementor. And these elementor visit you also can use for your website when you install this theme. So add a listing, let's check out how add a listing look like. When a vendor will add their listing, they have to choose the listing type like event, and pick the plan, right plan for them. We will able to customize the plan according that, because I already work on multiple directory business websites. So I have a lot of experience about the directory listing business. So when they pick right plan, and you can also adjust how many listing you allow them to add according the plan. Like in the premium plan, you will able to allow them unlimited listing. In the basic plan, only one listing, something like that. And then expiration feature listing, if you allow them, if they pick a higher plan. So let's check out by package. This is actually step, they have to follow the step before add listing. Then they do have a more demos. Let's check out their more demos. So you can check out this my listing theme. If you like the layout, you can go with this one. And for all the themes, you will find link in description for discount. You can try out. uh, you can click on the link and you will visit to the right theme, the theme you like here. So let's check out the next one. We have a Listing Pro. Listing Pro, I was working on Listing Pro today for my client, and hopefully I will make a complete tutorial about a Listing Pro theme where I will show step by step how you can customize Listing Pro. And then it also no paid plugin required. So you don't need a paid plugin if you consider Listing Pro. It give you bunch of plugin which you need for your business, like classify ads for monetization. It also give you feature for the ads, and where business owner can earn extra money. And if we look at its demo content, let's check out a live review of Listing Pro. This is how Listing Pro look like. So this is the demo of Listing Pro theme. So let me check the classic one. We also have places for pro and restaurant if you wanna create a website for restaurant. Also can go with Restaurant Pro. So let's check out the classic one, banner section and search bar. They will able to, if they click here inside it, they will able to select according to the category. So for example, if they are looking for hotels, they have to select hotel and select the city. This is totally customizable. You can customize the cities, categories, and you will also able to add the features here. Instead of category, you can display here location or features like automobile, beauty spa. You can display the features here or services or anything. And then we have cities. You can display your listing according to the city, according the cities. Claim and get started section where they will able to also claim their listing, promote, convert. You can customize these things. And exclusive and popular listings we have here. So if I check any of these listing, let's check out how they look like. So these are actually ads. You can earn money to offer your vendors for the ads. So they have to pay extra to display their listing in the front banner. You can make extra banner for the ads like featured listings. How the listing look like in Listing Pro, and it has submit review and listing title, description, and the sidebar has address section where they can display the phone number, email address, and social medias, and the review section. And then scroll down, the user will also able to directly contact with the particular banner of this listing. So this is how it look like. So this is the banner section. Again, in the header section you can completely uh, customize it. So if we click here add listing, so let's check out how vendor will able to add their listing. If you click add listing, they have to again pick the right plan. So this is similar to other themes. They have to pick the right plan here. And the plans, you can create your own plans, how you would like, how much you want to charge them. Once they pick the right plan, and they will have option to add their business listing into the website. So this is the listing form. They have to fill up this form, listing title, full address, city. Even they can select the drop in here. Make sure you have to provide correct API key for the map so they access this feature. And then they have to choose the category and the services. And then delivery, if they offer delivery or takeout, then they have to select here Xender, accept payment. And then price range, business hours, social media accounts, FAQs. They will able to add more FAQs, more detail, keyword, which is very important, tags or keyword. This is how people will find your listing here. Media, your business video, even you will they will able to add their YouTube video here for the business particular listing. Images, upload business logo. And here for the email address where they will get notified um, once their listing approved. So if they have already account, then they have to click here provide the username and password. So if we scroll down, they have news tips. You can make it a blog section. What's trending, you can display trending things here. So this is the section exclusive and popular I was talking about. You can charge them to display their ads on the platform. So this is slidable. And then these are what's trending display. You can display trending things. And then finally claim your business or get started. And then we have finally pages. Okay, so let me know which theme you like, and if you want me to create another video on particular theme, or just let me know the name of the theme, so then next video I will create complete tutorial on that particular theme. So I hope you like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.